Veteran management consultant. He has worked as CEO of some corporations in the agri-business space. He has also worked with multiple teams across geographies, including a palm oil major based out of Malaysia. He is an alumnus from one of the first few batches of Institute of Rural Management, Anand. His daughter has graduated from NYU Stern School of Management, which is one of the top 6 B schools across the world. So I welcome you, sir, and I would now request, please come and share a few words with our audience, and then we'll get started with the lightning lamp. You want to do that first? Yeah, please. Let's go ahead and light the lamp first. Yes, please. Please, sir.
But I think I can cover you without a microphone. Can you hear me at the last? Yeah. So why hold it? This will. Hi, good afternoon, and very warm welcome to all the successful CALites. Dear Chandrasekhar sir, I am a fan of his for a very long time, almost 15-20 years that I've been in touch with him. Already lots of generosity has been thrown on me, which I don't think I deserve fully. My intention in talking today is congratulate you all in achieving what you wanted. But that's only a start. And is English comfortable to all? I can switch to Hindi. Mari Gujarati bo sari nathi pan Gujarati ma pan boli shaktu. What would you prefer?
English.
I think English is good, yeah.
English is good. So a warm welcome to the parents also. I see quite a few beaming parents also with their children. This might look like a milestone, this admission, whatever you wanted and you have got, but it's start of a difficult journey. And I'll go back to my own journey. I'll pick from my journey. People say it has been successful, but it's not always high. There would be highs, lows, and it depends on how you take the high and how you take the low. When I think I'm 44 years when I went to the college. When I was like you, it's already 44 years. I went to a college in 1977. When I went to drop my daughter to an engineering school hostel in 2011, the first degree that she went to, only thing I told her was 25% of students would be coming here to make a career, make a name for themselves. 25% of the students would be coming school uniform में बहुत दिन रह लिए periods attend करना है अभी college में ऐश होगी and the balance 50% would move either with this way or that way depending upon whom you strike friendships with. So please be very cautious, please don't be in a hurry to get into friends, and small missteps will cost you a lot later on. You can decide 3-year, 4-year, whatever is your program to have maja in that, then rest of the life might become a saja. But if you are focused, And if you are determined to make something of your own aspirations, the aspirations of your parents, and remember, your parents would have gone through lots of sacrifices to bring you up, and also to provide all ways and means for fulfilling your aspirations. वो दिमाग से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. पेरेंट्स ने बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं, अपने लिए खर्चा नहीं करते, लेकिन बच्चे का बेस्ट मिले तो वो भी कहीं दिमाग में एम में रहना चाहिए. Second caution I want to, actually this is felicitation, I should not be going into cautions. But I think that is more important. Your felicitation is for something which you have already achieved. Today's world, there is no place left for mediocres. If you are not in top 20% of your class, the post-graduation will be difficult. And then these days, if you are not, these days postgraduate is like what higher secondary used to be in our times. So whatever you do, you have, your aim has to be the highest, you know, and there would be umpteen number of distractions. You know, there is, you are at a very tender age, so distractions would be there. And it's not that distractions have come now. Even at our time when we went to college, there were all kinds of distraction, all kinds of substance abuse would be there, alcohol abuse would be there, and curiosity would be there to try this or that. But my advice would be to kindly refrain. वो अर्जुन ने जैसा मछली की आंख को केवल देखा, ये 3 या 4 साल अगर आपने बेस अपना अच्छा कर दिया तो बाकी की जिंदगी में आपको कहीं पे भी तकलीफ नहीं आने वाली, सब होगा. Cinemas would always remain. It's not that if Shah Rukh Khan is not there, some other Khan will be there, or some new hero, heroines will come. There would be time, once you are settled in career, you will get free time to enjoy all this. But at this point of time, my sincere wish and hope is that you go out with a specific aim to top or be at least in top 10 of whatever class, whatever field you have chosen. Otherwise, आपकी अभी तक की सारी मेहनत बेकार होने वाली है. The things are going to be difficult. Year on year, the competition is going to be much more. In our times, there used to be only 3 streams: arts, commerce, and science. Science was the whosoever is the higher marks, they will get science. But again, they won't have meaning because your lifespan is going to be much, much longer than those 4 or 5 years. These days, there are so many career avenues, but for people who excel in whatever they do. For all we know, the best panwala in this town might be earning much more than what you can imagine. If some of you are going to law, you know, there are lawyers and there are lawyers. There are lawyers like Jethmalani's, Kapil Sibals, whose fees for 5 minutes of appearance would be running in tens of lakhs. And you go to city court, there would be lawyers sitting with their typewriters or word processors and maybe not getting any business. So your aim has to be to reach the very top. And this is only undergraduate. But undergraduation में ही भटकने के सबसे ज़्यादा chances होते हैं. आप अभी भी माइंड पूरा मेच्योर नहीं होता है और घर से बाहर निकले तो बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होते हैं. So my congratulations. CL has helped you achieve your first step in life. I am very sure if you come back to CL would be happy to help you your getting into post-graduation or even going abroad or whatever. But 2-3 things I want you to leave with. This is only the start. This is not the end. And you have to put in your best into your college days. That would be your base, and that will define whether you start from here or you start from here or you start from here. That will determine where you are going to end after a 30 or 35 or 40 years of career. So don't waste even single moment. I'm very happy you have achieved admission to the colleges that you wanted. But a tougher journey starts now. CS sir might not agree with me. This is felicitation, but मैंने सोचा कि कुछ प्रैक्टिकल बातें भी कहना जरूरी है और मेरे खुद के अनुभव से है. So please, we are very sure, I have no doubt that you will get into distractions, but it's very easy to get into distractions, very difficult to come out of it. Congratulations once again, do well, make us proud, make your parents proud, and make your state and country proud. Be a good citizen, have empathy for people who have less than what we have. आज कम से कम हम लोग एक एयर कंडीशन हॉल में बैठे हैं, सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं. There are lots of underprivileged people in our own society. We cannot help them all, but at least in our heart, we can have some empathy for them. The very best wishes. Yes, I am available anytime. I didn't have much of time, otherwise I would have given you a PowerPoint presentation. My phone number would be there always. If you want to connect anytime, please feel free to connect with me. My email ID is subodhmishra@yahoo.com. No underscore, no capital, no comma, no full stop. Anytime if you give a call, I would be more than happy to help you in your careers.
Thank you for enlightening us, sir. We will get started with the felicitation, and I would request both Subodh sir, Chandrasekhar sir to come on stage. The students who would be coming to the stage, please make sure that you come from left of the stage and leave from right of the stage. I'm talking from your angle. Please, sir. Given that the attendance is just 20% of what was expected, there would be quite a few who are not here. Firstly, we had Dhruv Chauhan, made it to BBA in Symbiosis Pune. Let's clap for their absence. Abhishek Nenuji made it to ILNU Ahmedabad, that is Nirma University, for their 5-year law program. Then we have Swikruti Mahapatra. She is present, I believe. Let's applaud the students who are coming to the stage. So firstly, I would request Subodh sir to present the certificate.
Sir, here. Smile.
I would ask Chandrasekhar sir to present the medal.
Sir, आ जाइए.
Just a moment, if you can please. Yes, please.
Are your parents there?
Next up, we have Grishma Nair, made it to BBA in Navrachna and awaiting MSU results. Then we have Anurag Khedkar, made it to Institute of Hotel Management, Gandhinagar. We have Pushkar Iyer, he made it to multiple colleges for BCA program. And I would in fact request to come along with parents.
please.
He's got into VIT.
Please,
Yeah,
sir, come
VIT
here
for
and-
engineering, but then Christ Bangalore and Symbiosis for BCA as
Please
well.
come here and
He got into
Madam,
VIT. And
please,
his name you have to change.
Right.
The spelling is A.
Right.
The actual admission which he has got is in VIT, Vellore Campus Engineering.
Sir, please. Oh.
नहीं, आप कीजिए। सर, आप कीजिए। आपका गुरु के हाथ से मिलने में कितना अच्छा है। आप इधर आ जाइए। आप दोनों नजदीक हैं।
Close. सर आप भी
एक मिनट
सर
Thank you.
Then we have Vansh Fatwani, made it to BBA program in Narsi Monji, Mumbai. Vidhi Thadani made it to BA program in multiple colleges including Symbiosis, Flame, PDEU as well. We then have Anchal Thavrani, made it to BSc Finance program at Narsi Monji flagship campus in Mumbai. Mishti Sajnani, BBA in e-commerce at Symbiosis Pune. Tanishka Pardasani, is she available? No. Made it to BBA Navrachna, awaiting MSU BBA results. Neer Harsora made it to Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication program in MSU. And it, by the way, only has 35 seats, and her name was the 15th one in the merit list. Aditya Rajput made it to MSU BCA. Asta Surve, BSW program at MSU. Pratham Rana made it to BBA Navrachna, awaiting MSU BBA results. Om Patel, the same case. Vaidehi Parwal, Saksham Dikshit, Akash Vyas. Sujal Parmar made it to MSU BCom Honors program. This program, the entrance was conducted for the first time. Previously, it used to be based on 12th boards, and possibly the prolific experts out there believed that it would not be the right measure this year to give admissions based on board marks. And that is the reason this year MSU has introduced an entrance for BCom Honors program as well. Ketan Dongre again made it to Navrachna BBA, awaiting MSU BBA results. Krishna Lohana. We have Hunaina Sheikh, she is present today. Made it to MSU for 5-year integrated program in BA LLB. I would request her parents as well to please come over stage, ma'am.
We'll wait for mother. Sunana, congratulations. ये शुरुआत है, अभी आपको बहुत करना है, ठीक है?
चलिए सर, इसको गांधीनगर जाना है DNLU में, तो अभी कंटिन्यू किया है इसने कैरियर लॉन्चर। नेक्स्ट ईयर ट्राई करेंगे वहाँ पे।
आप मन लगा के जो चाहेंगे वो जरूर मिल जाएगा। Congratulations.
सर
Thank you, sir.
सर Oh.
Thank you.
सर, माताजी पहनाए हैं। आप आइए।
नहीं, साथ में
नहीं,
आइए।
आ जाओ।
Next, we have Vedant Patel, made it to Narsi Monji Bangalore campus for BBA program. Arav Patel made it to BBA LLB program at Symbiosis Pune. Pranshav Amin made it to BBA program at SP Jain Global. He starts with Dubai and the program is distributed across locations, namely Sydney, Singapore and then India. Arya Gupta, I believe is present today, is made it to BBA LLB program at Narsi Monji Mumbai along with IIM Indore and Rohtak is what I am told. So that's a great achievement. I would request sir, his father also to come on stage please.
एक मिनट हाँ बस ऐसे रही ओके
Thank you.
We then have Hetvi Singh, made it to Symbiosis Pune. Ashfaq Memon, made it to MSU BCA by the way. सर आप भी प्लीज आइए स्टेज पे.
माता जी भी आए. अशफाक, you look too young. क्या उम्र है आपकी? नहीं, ब्रिटिश के तो नहीं सही है.
I would like to specially mention that he joined us like what 15 days before the exam, and the postponement of the exam was blessing in disguise, and that's when he has made it.
माँ की जितनी हसरतें हैं आप पूरी कीजिएगा.
सर प्लीज गो एक मिनट सर दिया
So now, next up we have Ruby Vasani, made it to BBA LLB program at Symbiosis as well as NLU Gandhinagar. Okay, right. I'm told she missed out because of the domicile. Right. She had scored a commendable score in CLAT for obvious reasons.
But you have to come back with higher and higher achievements.
Sir, that brings us to the end of the felicitation. Thank you.